Look at that goodness. Good Lord have mercy. 1, 2, 3. Bunch of rotors. Not sure what's in the box. What is in this big box? This is scrap metal. Look at that. Just dropped off at my house. Oh my goodness. Nice aluminum transmission. I love it. Love it. It's goodness everywhere. Oh yeah, look at this. I mean, it's all dirty aluminum, but look at that. Hoo-wee. Look at that goodness. Somebody dropped off me another 80-gallon. Got me a whole pack of stickers too, by the way. What is in this box? Oh yeah, there's some goodness in there. Somebody brought me by a box of some good stuff. What's we got here? What have we got here? That's nice. What in the world? Oh yeah, there's some goodness right here. There's some goodness. I think I'll take that. Oh, got my door fixed, by the way, everybody. Got it re-welded, so my door's not broken anymore. Oh my word, it's heavier than I thought it was going to be. What in the world's in this thing? Goodness gracious. Security lock. Oh yeah. All right, some goodness in there I can go through. Oh yeah, I'm gonna set it right here for now. Oh yeah, get all the goodness. Okay, if it works, you can keep the tips. You know, I can take probably the motor off if it's aluminum, and it is. So if I pop that 4 bolts off of that motor, I could bring that motor in as aluminum breakage. You know what I'm saying? And make a little bit more money that way. And the pump and everything go right with it, and it's all just aluminum breakage. So it pays probably like 20 cents a pound. Yeah, 20 cents, something like that. Yeah, I mean, it's not going to be a bad hose. It's probably a 25 footer, what comes with them, you know. Got a lot of birds over, been sitting on it. Yeah.
That's not bad.
There you go. You need to bring that home with you.
I might.
Need to. Perfect for you.
Probably run as good as the one I got now.
Yeah, but it don't run at all. My guess is it don't run at all.
You been playing hoop?
Yeah.
Which one you want to put, the bike or the grill?
Where's the bike? Oh, there it is. Motorbike.
Got new lights.
I don't even know if we can get it in there. I don't know if we can get it in, to be honest with you.
Just pull. Yeah, we'll pull the front up.
Just pull it back around again.
See how heavy is it?
Not too heavy, I don't think, but
Just bulky.
heavy enough.
Yeah, bulky.
Look at brand new tires.
Yeah, man.
Ready?
Yep. They must have started picking it in.
I don't think they've been rotted off, so I'm thinking I can get rid of this easily.
Oh, there you go. There's the switch. Probably doesn't have the battery.
Pull it back over a little bit. Put the wheels on it. Oh. Yeah, I didn't even think about that. Guys, so I've got this barrel that I've been putting copper in for a while. Just kind of miscellaneous mixed copper. You know, number 1, number 2. Still has to be cut up, stuff like that. I'm not trying to take it all, but I'm going to take some of this in. All right, so I can get a little bit of, we had 16 pounds at number 1. Brought in some number 2, including this. I'm selling this as number 2 also, which is the core. This is the core for an instant hot water heater, an older one that they used to put copper in them, but still basically all number 2. Got a bunch of number 2 there. We had 16 pounds of number 2, 16 pounds of number 1. These 2 rims, which is 62 pounds. 22 pounds of these aluminum heads, which, what did you say this metal was?
Should be 380 aluminum.
He's thinking it's 380 aluminum. 22 pounds. For a grand total of $179. Scrabble Grandpa, what's next? I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, here I am. We're back. What did we do? My name is Sue. Tell you what we did. We sold some copper, number 1, 16 pounds. We sold some copper, number 2, 16 pounds. I think it was 60 something pounds of aluminum wheels remember how many pounds the heads were, but I'm sure you'll see that on the video. But anyway, you see what I sold already, because I'm going over it at the end, and I made $179 for a total for the copper, number 1 and number 2. And here in the United States, copper number 1 and number 2 has really took a big dip since last week. So yeah, 179, and I actually got to get 279 because I brought him 10 burn barrels. So thank you everybody for hitting me up and leaving the comments that you did. And until next time, Scrabble Grandpa, what's next? You know the deal. Make sure you ring that bell, hit that subscribe button before you leave if you're not a subscriber already. And we'll see you on the next one.